Good evening all, I am Shobha. Welcome to Post Market Analysis. Today we can see Nifty has closed positive by 114 points. Bank Nifty has closed positive by 135 points. Coming to Nifty chart, we can see as we have a global Q positive, we can see a gap up, and after that Nifty has consolidated, and in the second half we can see some rally due to Nifty expiry, and it has closed near today's high. Coming to Bank Nifty also today opened gap up, and we can see a volatility in a Bank Nifty today and tried to somewhere close in today's high. Coming to tomorrow's expectation, Nifty in a daily chart, we can see yesterday we had a Doji has formed, and today it has break Doji's high, and we can see a positive in Nifty. For tomorrow, Nifty has to break today's high, and we can expect Nifty to reach all-time high. Coming to Bank Nifty in a daily time frame, we can see Bank Nifty is still in a consolidation zone. Today we can see a bullish engulfing pattern has formed. For tomorrow, if Bank Nifty breaks today's high, we can see further bullishness in Bank Nifty. Thank you. See you tomorrow.